This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today we're going to talk about why your fingers might go numb. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. So why your fingers might go numb? Two of the most common reasons. So I'll say it's usually from nerve compression at one of two areas. So one area is called the carpal tunnel, and that's a nerve right here called the median nerve. Now, with that nerve, the bones kind of form almost like a half pipe, the wrist bones, and then there's something called the transverse carpal ligament, which sits on top of it like this, and the nerve goes inside. So what will happen is the nerve has the most space when we keep the wrist straight, but when we bend it, it'll get kind of smushed, and then that can cause tingling in the thumb, the index finger, the middle finger, and this half of the ring finger, but not the other half. So that's a super common reason why people's fingers go numb. Sometimes, we don't really know exactly what causes it. People can sort of get it more with pregnancy. I mean, if you have an unergonomic setup, that can sort of cause it as well. But that's the most common reason people get it. The first line of treatment is wearing a splint at night so you don't bend your wrist while you're sleeping, which irritates it. If you're getting numbness in the pinky and other half of your ring finger, it's probably because your ulnar nerve is compressed at the elbow. This is like when you hit your funny bone and it gets all tingly. Hitting your funny bone just means you hit your ulnar nerve in your elbow. And that is, again, just the pinky and half the ring finger. Sometimes we'll get it if our arms are bent for too long. You can get it while you're sleeping as well. The first line of treatment for that, like for carpal tunnel, we splint the wrist so it's straight, and for cubital tunnel syndrome or ulnar nerve compression, we splint the elbow while you sleep, while it's straight. So those are the most common reasons that your hand might go numb. Of course, if you have any sort of trauma to your fingers or anything like that, then it's a whole different animal. Then you're cutting specific nerves. But by far and away, if it's the thumb, index, middle, and half the ring, it's from your median nerve or carpal tunnel. If it's the other half of the ring finger and the pinky finger, it's from your elbow or cubital tunnel. So I hope I was able to answer all your questions about why your fingers might go numb. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below. But I can't give medical advice over YouTube because this video and all my videos are for educational purposes only.